this video, we're going to do an introduction to the vendor center in QuickBooks. So, like the customers, when we go up to vendors, we click on vendor center. These are all the people that you're purchasing your product for, or any bills that you're paying for as well. In this example, we're going to go through and you're going to see that there are no sub-jobs like you would see in the customer center, because each vendor is its own company and you don't require anything additional for that. For right now, we're going to choose Dago Lighting because we have a balance of $1,591.00. Just like you have with your customer center, you're going to have an attachment, which is what looks like a paperclip, or you're going to have the fork, which is your edit button. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the edit button, and it's going to be very similar. You're going to have a vendor name, company name obviously because it's not an actual person. However, you have the ability to put in a vendor's information there as well if you like. Add your job title, main phone number, main email, a fax number. Again, you have the option of doing your drop-down menus. Billed from and shipped from. This is something that QuickBooks has added in recent years because a lot of people have an actual P.O. box that they prefer to have their bills sent from, but if you need to physically go to that vendor's location, you want to make sure that you put something in there from the ship from address. Now, it only gives you one location for each side. Unlike where you have with the customer side, you can have multiple ship to locations. If you have any questions about changing something, click on your fork or your edit button, make your changes, hit OK. Same way with the ship to, you can have a shipping address, or you can call whatever else you'd like to. For more videos such as this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.